Oh, and then ito may bag. That's grandma, the baby. Have grandma fix the...
Oh my gosh.
There you go. There's grandma. Nini, boy, tayo mo na. Where's grandma's dog? Andito yung mga dog. Andito yung mga doggy mo. Marami kang doggy dito. Maraming doggy. Hindi na makahinga yung mga dog mo dyan eh. Eh? Oh. Oh.
Oh, do you know how to do it? Like this? Like that? That?
Anong gagawin?
Itapon na yung mga... Lagay mo sa buhok niyan eh. Mm. Sayang naman yung mga maliliit na bag. Kung matatapon lang. Oh, isn't it doggy like this? They have to be what? That? Like that? No, no, that? Okay, be careful on the road. Jilana pong maayos man, anak. Okay.
Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need.
Kain ka na? Did you ask grandma? Say, kain ka na. Kain ka na? Ito ni box. Oh, wow. That's perfect. Okay, let me see. Bye. Bye. Oh, let grandma hold the other Barbie doll.
Oh, the daddies. Thank you.
Oh. Grandma can... Sakit. Hindi pa ako makabangon. Oh! Ay, buti naman inrang-rang mo ata. Oh, let me see. Do you want to be done now? Okay, just continue until you're done. Oh, there you go. You line up your dogs. Saan kayo naglinis lang sa...
Diyan lang. Alam na rin sa kakaya.
Okay, cut it off. Cut it off. Don't.
Everybody, how many dogs? Can you count your dog? Jilana, how many dogs you have? Huh? Can you count? Thank you, sis. Ayan. How many dog you have?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10.
10? That's a lot of dog.
No,
7?
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7, good job. What's the name of your dog? Eva, 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 and Eva. Eva.
Eva.
Oh, wow.